Hello everyone, and welcome back to Poppy Seed Mini. Today we're going to be checking out the new Make It Mini holiday balls, and I'll show you how to make some miniature Make It Mini balls of your own. Let's check it out and get crafting. One of the nice things about the holiday balls is they'll let you know what's in them. Like this one, you can tell has the Christmas tree. Here's the one with the charcuterie board in it. And this is the one with the log roll cake. There is one holiday surprise item, which is hot chocolate in these cute little mousse cups. But you're going to have to search for those because those ones have no cheat code. All right, let's check out the one that says it has a Christmas tree in it and see what we get. Alrighty, it looks like we do indeed have a Christmas tree in here. Here is the little base for the tree. Oh, these are wrapped up so cute. Here's the topper for the tree. And the rest of the little tree. All right, let's see if we can fluff this baby up because it's definitely been stuffed inside a surprise ball for a while. If you guys can see the detail on this, it's pretty well done. Like the little branches. Pretty cute. All right. And we'll fluff up the top and push that on top. There we go. It, of course, comes with some of their classic tongs in gold. A little paintbrush, which is pretty darn cute. And, of course, a nice little topper for the ball. And you can pop that little topper on top of the ball, add a string, and put something inside and hang it on the tree. I wonder if I could put my little box inside of here. Haha! It fits! It also includes resin and these little snowflakes to flock your tree so you can make it look like it's got snow on it. A cute little star topper. And these super adorable little ornaments. The little Christmas bulbs just hook right onto the branches, and the little star can pop right on top of the tree. How cute is that? All right, let's check out the one that says it's supposed to have the little cake inside. Or the log roll. What do they call those? Yule log cakes? You'll have to let me know in the comments, you guys. All right, so this one comes with a classic Make It Mini table. And it has a gold stand to put that on. Wonder what else you could use these for. Pretty cute. And I think we are definitely getting the cake because here is our little cake stand. Oh, and here's the roll cake. Ooh, it's a coffee flavored. And it comes with sugar sprinkles and a chocolate spread. We've got a tray full of little gingerbread cookies. We've got a little icing knife, the topper again, and of course our tongs. And the last things, see, this is what makes it, you guys. Look at its little branches and berries for decorating. Oh, they're so cute. And little tiny, like mushrooms, like candy mushrooms to put on top of your cake. How cute is that? Oh, that is a fun little set. So I didn't notice this before, but there's a little girl gingerbread and a little boy gingerbread. Isn't that sweet? And look at those little mushrooms on top of the cake. Okay, we got one more to check out. It says this should be the charcuterie board. All right, shall it be the charcuterie board? Yes. Yes, it is. Oh, look at the little fruit and the little cheeses. So cute. Of course, I feel like this bag is slightly less important. Okay, I was wrong. This is an important bag. Look at the little honey dipper. Isn't that cute? Oh, I needed one of those in my miniature kitchen, right? And a little knife for the cheeses. And look at that. We got a miniature Christmas tree shaped board. And it comes with a table with this plaid pattern on it, which is kind of cute. Still don't know what I'm going to do with it because I never do anything with those darn tables. And, oh, we got the little deli meat. How fun is that? And for the resin, you get the honey. And of course, what is a charcuterie board without some crackers? All right, let's take a closer look at some of these darling little items here. Oh, golly, it even comes wrapped like normal crackers. And it's got two different crackers inside. It's like a bread-shaped cracker and a regular fancy cracker. So fun. We've, of course, got cheese. And it's got some sliced cheese. And I believe this is a chunk of brie. Yes, it is. And it's got a tiny little wedge cut out of it that you can pull out. So cute. And then, of course, you've got the little fruits, sliced apples, blueberries, strawberries, and this deli meat, which you can curl up and make a beautiful charcuterie board tray. There are definitely plenty of miniature little items included to cover your little board. And I honestly think I might make a little wooden board to put mine on. To get the printable for today's project, you can visit my blog at poppyseedmini.blogspot.com. The link will be in the description box below. My printable was printed on glossy brochure paper. To start, you'll want to cut out your box. Now, I leave the tabs uncut until after I fold the top and bottom of the box. Once I've folded the top and the bottom, I cut in straight on the colored line and then cut back again at an angle to create the tab. like so. Once all your tabs are cut, you're going to fold the 4 sides. If you'd like to add balls inside the box, you'll need to cut out the little window on the front of the box. Like so. Next, you'll add glue to that side tab. Fold in the bottom 2 tabs and add some glue because you want them to stick down to the bottom. Fold down the back tab and then glue down the front tab. And then go inside and make sure it's all pressed down so you'll have a flat bottom when you're all finished. Then fold in the top 2 tabs, fold the back tab down, and glue down that front tab. Creating your very own little Christmas mini verse box. All right, let's make the ball. To make your ball, you'll need a 1/2 inch bead, 2 of the round cutouts from the printable, and you'll also need a strip of the red from the printable. Take this strip and add glue to the back side of it and wrap it around the center of the ball. I don't need quite that much, so I'm going to clip the extra off. And then you're going to kind of squish it around so that it lays flat against the ball. Next, you're going to take the little round cutout and just cut in all the way around, about 1/8 of an inch. And you're just making it so the image can curve around the ball when you glue it on. Here's what it looks like on the back side. Then you're just going to add glue all over the back side of that. Oops, not on the front, only on the back. And curve that around the ball. Pressing it all into place. Take the other side and add the glue, only to the back, preferably this time. And then I like to make sure the logos are both on top. And then I curve that one around. Creating your own Make It Mini holiday balls. Then you'll just need to create enough to fill up your box. Hey guys, I've been having a blast making these miniature Make It Minis, and I would love to hear your opinion on which one you'd like to see us do next. So let us know in the comments down below. Well, I sure hope you all enjoyed today's episode of Poppy Seed Mini. I hope you enjoyed making some crafts and checking out some new fun miniatures by Make It Mini. I hope you'll like, comment, share, and subscribe. And have fun collecting and crafting. Happy holidays!